Replacing your hard disk drive with an SSD is the best thing you could do for your computer. An SSD will improve everything from efficiency, speed, and just overall awesomeness of your machine. In this video, I'll walk you through some of the steps that I took to upgrade my Acer Nitro 5 laptop with this new Samsung EVO 860. Upgrading to this Samsung SSD is pretty simple, but there's one key step you'll want to take prior to installation. If you're moving your existing operating system to this new SSD, you'll want to use the Samsung data migration software to copy your current hard drive. I've included a link to this free Samsung software in the description below. I did this migration using a SATA to USB cable from Vantech. I got mine for like $10 on Amazon, and it comes with a nice case that you can use to contain your older hard disk drive as external storage moving forward. Once you've migrated your data, turn off the laptop and flip it over to get access to where the hard drive is located. Go ahead and remove the screw that's holding the compartment shut. Once the screw is gone, you can pop open the compartment to reveal the existing hard drive. There's a couple screws holding the hard drive in place, so we'll now go ahead and unscrew those so we can replace it with a new one. Once you've removed the screws, simply unplug the old hard drive from the computer, and that's it. We can now replace this old hard drive with our new Samsung SSD. Now, to install the new Samsung SSD, you'll first want to connect it to your computer. Simply line up the plugs the same way that the old hard drive was lined up and plug it right into place. Once you've done that, just fit the drive back into place and you're all set. We'll now screw the cover back on and we'll be ready to roll with our new Samsung SSD. Hopefully this video helped you out. Nice, short and sweet, and not too complicated at all. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and we'll see you next time right here in Shot City Media.